Let's get started with Bloomreach Experience Manager and log into your account. In this video, we will discuss the login page configuration, such as language options, time zone selection, and two-factor authentication. As a first step, let's log into BRXM. Type in your username and your password. Additionally, you can select your language preference. In our example, we have 6 languages to choose from. If you were to select Spanish, all buttons, menus, and labels in BRXM will be in Spanish. Keep in mind, the documents that you work with can be in any language. For our purposes in our training, we are going to select the English language. Do your content editors work in different time zones? Then it can be very handy for them to select their own time zone. This can be done in the login screen as well. The result is that the value in any content document's date field is not shown with the time zone of the server on which BRXM is running, but rather with the time zone selected during login. Note, the option to select a time zone is not available by default, but it has to be configured by admins. In the documentation to this video, you can find more information on how to configure your login page. Finally, let's log in to BRXM. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with the home page.